similar kind of formatting, right? We have a form, and we're just going to put in the lease signer's name. This is a lease agreement being uploaded, a very simple, basic one, with just a couple of details in it. We didn't go get a huge contract, but this works the same regardless. So what we have here is a similar setup. We're uploading a document, right? This time it's a lease agreement, right? It's going to have various information. It's going to have the name, the address, the due date, the lease term, right? So I've got a few AI extracted columns here, similar to the business card. As you can see, uploaded the file. It's already extracted the tenant name. It's pulled out the current lease status. So let's say, this is an active lease or it's not an active lease, right? It's going to kind of determine that based on the context of the file, right? So it's got all this information. It's pulling out the rent, the security deposit, the late fee, right? We can pull in all those details. And so right now we just have a few details. So I'm going to walk you through kind of adding in a couple of details. And similar to the business card situation, you'll notice this is super easy to set up. So I just go into the column settings for the security deposit, and I'm going to set up where we can extract data with a custom prompt. And I just describe what it is. I'm saying, hey, I want to extract the security deposit from this lease agreement that's attached. And then I give it the file, as context. And then it's going to go and read the file and pull out that data that we want intelligently using AI. So, and you can see it's pulling that out. You have that nice example box that Monday gives you as you're setting this up. But that's it. I mean, it really takes just like 20 seconds to set up a new field to extract data that comes from, just a structured PDF document for a file. So now let's do the late fee. So I go into the column settings, set a custom prompt, and you kind of get the gist, I think, by now, right? So I'm sure you're teaming with ideas on how to apply this to all the many documents that we get in the real estate industry. And I'm sure that you guys will find some really clever use cases for this, but we're just going to go in, we're going to say, hey, I want to give it the lease agreement as context. I'm putting in the files column there. And then now I want the late fee extracted. And just, you saw how quick that was to set up. And again, this is a very basic rental agreement, but you can imagine all the different documents that we could apply this to and then get AI extracted information into a board without having to manually type this in, without having to have the user type it in either, right? And introduce error, right? This is baked into the lease, so we can just extract it from the one source of truth, the document itself, and then store it into a board.